Welcome back. So listen here about the question given the length of the first diagonal of a rhombus. I hope you know about the rhombus, right? Rhombus will be in this shape, okay? So it's like a square. If you extend the square means it will look like this one or extend or yes, that's right. So here in the rhombus, so there's a diagonal, right? So and this also a diagonal. So this you can take a d1 and this you can take it as d2. So definitely d1 cannot be equal to d2 because both are of different lengths. Okay. So automatically the diagonals are different. So that's why they are given that. So the diagonal first diagonal is 8 centimeter and second diagonal is other diagonal is 16 centimeter. So let me take that d1 as 8 and then d2 as 16 centimeter because they are given the form of centimeters, right? And what they are given is that area of rhombus and square are the same, is it right? They are given that they both are the same. So what you have mentioned means, so listen properly. So you know that area of a square. So area of a square. What's area square means? What you know that it's suppose if the sides of a square, if you take it as a means it is a square. Is it right? So you take a square, is it right? It's like a square. So side, all the sides are equal. You know, square, is it right? And perimeter means what? Perimeter means outer measurement. So perimeter means what? Outer measurement. So perimeter is equal to what? You know, is it right? What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter means what? This one measurement, two, three, four measurements. So all are same. So you can take it as 4 okay. So you know that rhombus area. So you have considered that rhombus area because area of a square also which is equal to area of the rhombus they are given. So what's the area of rhombus? You know the formula, is it right? So 1 by 2 into, so you have to take d1 as well as d2, is it right? So d1 into d2, is it right? So what the question given that the area of a rhombus as well as area of a square are equal, is it right? So you have to take the a, that is very important. And what's the area of a square is a square, is that right? So a square, what they have given, just you have to look at that first one. So mainly you have to take the area in terms of the given question. Okay, how we are going to do the calculation is, you know, what's the area of rhombus? It's equal to, so 1 by 2 into what is d1? d1 is diagonal one is given as 8 and then a d2 is about 16, is it right? So you can make a cancellation. So if you make a 4 means a total you get 64 centimeters squared, is it right? According to the question, area of rhombus that is equal to area of a square. So automatically area of a square, a square, is it right? A square is equal to the 64 you can use, right? Because both are same. Area of rhombus and area of square are same. So a square 64. What is a? Root of 64. So that is equal to what is root of 64? 16. Okay, so you know that the side value is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is 16, this is 16, this is 16, and this is 16. What the question? Question about find the perimeter of the square, is it right? What's the formula of perimeter? Is equal to 4 into a. So automatically, what's the perimeter? It's going to be the final answer. Perimeter is equal to 4 into a. You know the a value is 16, right? So 4 into 16, that's equal to 64 centimeter. Okay, that's the answer. So simple. If you check it here, 16, 16, 32, 36 to 48, 46 to 64. So that'll be the answer. Okay. So if any doubts means you just comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.